Okay, so a question has come up. The default tray, if you accidentally drag it out and you float it right here, and you can change the size of it, and now you accidentally close it like this. Where did it go? What's happened to it? You should be able to go back to Window, Default Tray, and have it show you the tray. So it should be there. And then to anchor it, all you have to do is click and drag it and move it close to the edge. And I'm taking this nice and slow. And when I come close to the edge here, it should show me options. Let's see if I bring it over to this side. There we go. You see how it wants to dock on the side there? Oh, there we go. There we go. You see how these options came up, like where to dock it? So I'm just going to hover right here so that it anchors it on the right-hand side. So I'm going to release my mouse now, and it's back in place. And then from here, I just want to make sure that I have it pushed to the side as far as possible, but you can widen it all the way out here. That's entirely up to you, but I like it to take up less real estate like that.